stop right there. If you're using the Saturn IV Ultra, stop yanking the build plate out right after a print. I know you've seen your favorite 3D printer reviewers do this, but just stop it. Look at all that mess. You're making your life harder and there's a better way. This drip adapter is a freely available part you can print on an FDM printer, and it attaches to the top of the Saturn IV Ultra build plate. It has integrated little handle wings for better grip and a cantilevered arm for allowing the resin to drip off the plate and back into the vat. After your print is done, go into Tools, Manual, and then send the build plate up a ways. Release the latch and move to the drip adapter's arm, and then wait. Be patient. Resin is expensive. IPA is expensive. I want as much resin to drip off my build plate while it's over the vat as possible. Be sure to print this in something stronger than PLA, PETG, ABS. I printed mine in ASA, whatever. Up the walls, add infill, make this sucker strong. You do not want this to come apart. The link for the drip adapter will be in the description down below. And while we're at it, let's talk about the drip tray. You should always, no matter what, install the drip tray. I keep mine on top of the covers so that when I go to open a printer, I have to move the drip tray, which reminds me to attach it. The drip tray for the Saturn IV Ultra does have one pretty annoying downside: the Elegoo logo. Resin gets trapped amongst the lettering, and that's just a drag, Elegoo. Luckily, 3D printing can fix it. These liners fit perfectly in the tray and make cleanup a breeze. Just pop them in, and now you have a nice smooth surface you can easily clean if you need to. I will also link this part down below. Hey, it's Tuba of the Future here. I noticed in checking out some other complaints of the Saturn IV Ultra that people were complaining about it not having a handle on the lid, and I agree this is very annoying, but keep in mind it's a $400 printer, so, you know, maybe take that with a grain of salt. And also, look, there's a handle. You can go print this. And then also another complaint was the resin between the bottom of the build plate and the top of the build plate. Well, look, there's this little scraper thing that somebody designed that you can go print. If you don't have a filament printer, then I guess you're shit out of luck, and you might as well return your Saturn IV Ultra and use one of those 3D printer reviewers Hey Gears affiliate links. Just kidding. Don't do that. Don't give in. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe, and happy printing. Goodbye.